Okay, now this is a Weeden Big Giant. I've been after one of these for a while. It's basically a Weeden Model 20, but these particular ones were produced for the Youth's Companion magazine in around 1898. They did this for several years, so I'm not really sure, but it's pretty old anyway. And it's unusual for a Weeden as in it has a spirit burner, which detaches from the base. This one looks to be complete, just needs basically some cleaning, oiling up, and it should be ready to go. It is quite a large engine, as you can see by the size of my hand. Lovely looking thing though. Right, let's get it cleaned up. Well, the Big Giant's finished. I think it turned out quite well, really. Don't have to do an awful lot to it. Repaint the base burner, repaint the crank and the cylinder mount here. The firebox is in pretty good nick, but didn't have to touch that. The rest of it's just been cleaned up. It's turned out really well. The safety valve is definitely not original. On this type of Weeden, it should be the lever weight type safety valve. But other than that, I think it's pretty much complete and original. I didn't have the right colour paint for the cylinder or the whistle, so that I've left those as they were. But yeah, that's a nice looking engine. Right, let's get it steamed. Well, I think we have a little leak from the whistle, but I think we're ready to go. Yes, there we go, look at that. Turn the weight down a bit so we can control it. This is working fine. Well, there goes the Weeden Big Giant. Well, it's a treat, actually. You should be able to control the steam pressure because the wick, you can turn the wick up and down, so give it a bit more, see whether we get more pressure out of it. Well, that seems to work quite well, actually. A slight leak and a slight glass by the looks of it, but nothing too major. That runs a treat. It's not that easy to date these engines. They were first made in the late 1800s, 1890 I think, something like that. But they were made for over 50 years. The same model, the Weeden 20, and the Big Giant was also made for a long time. So that's quite nice. It runs quite slowly. Let's turn the flame back up a bit. Quite sensitive to the wick adjustment, isn't it? It's sort of I'm quite impressed by that, actually. It does make a bit of a racket, but it's not really surprising because the crankshaft simply runs in two bits of bent tin plate with a hole in each side. So there's quite a lot of slop in the crankshaft. There's no real bearings there or anything. So that's why it rattles and makes so much of a racket. Yeah, runs a treat. So there you have it, one Weeden model number 20 Big Giant under steam. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks very much for watching.